Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2018 68 Reg F33 Mperformance 340i. This vehicle is presented in black sapphire metallic, has a full BMW Mperformance Kit including a set of freshly refurbished 20-inch 613 Mperformance alloy wheels, which I'll show you as we make our way around this stunning over 326 brake horsepower super saloon. At the front you can see the LED headlamps. Alongside those are very eye-catching 20-inch alloy wheels. They also feature all the way around premium tyres. We've got the sun protection glazing on the rear windows. You'll also see down the side the frozen grey satin sidebars and matching side vinyls. The interior is absolutely immaculate, much like the rest of this vehicle. It has got the full black Dakota leather as well as heated front seats with electric lumbar options. As you can see there, all of the seats are in incredible condition and are also very spacious in terms of the rear seat arrangement, which is something we're going to look at shortly. It does have the magnificent 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. In the rear you'll find a very spacious, very comfortable 3-seat Isofix rear bench, and again, as you can see, everything has been kept in superb condition. You'll see there the darkened M Sport headlining. Round at the back of the car, again showing you off these fantastically presented 613 Mperformance alloy wheels, and again showing you that there you can see those premium Michelin tyres. At the back, of course, sticking with the full Mperformance kit that this vehicle comes with, we've got the lovely satin grey spoiler and matching rear diffuser, which sits over the top of those fantastic dual exhaust system. We've got a rear facing reversing camera on this 340i. Whilst you take a look around just how big the boot space is, and fortunately this one also comes with the split folding seat option. It is of course worth mentioning we're currently running a click and collect service here at Your Next Car, and to find out more about that and of course this fantastic vehicle, you can simply follow the links down below in the description. From there you can find out more about prices and funding options available. Following through, we'll quickly demonstrate that split folding seat option, which is of course always really handy to have should you need to carry some larger items around. And as you can see there, that will of course free you up for such a task. And we'll go on board now and just quickly run yourselves through a few of this vehicle's major talking points and features. It's a very, very low mileage car, which is of course something you should have been able to pick up on as we've made our way around, as it is in incredible condition. Hopping on board now, and we'll go ahead and of course get that wonderful sounding engine started up. We do have the latest BMW business navigation and media screen and software equipped. That is why we do have the Connected Drive Plus software, giving us access to online search, news and weather apps, which are all powered via Google. Alongside that, we've got a really sophisticated sat-nav system which utilises real-time traffic updates to ensure we are on that fastest route possible. In terms of the vehicle's mileage, as you can see there, it has covered just over 12,000 miles. And of course, whilst it does have an extremely powerful engine, which is of course always great, to be a super saloon it also needs to do the economy runs as well. And as you can see there, this vehicle will return a good amount of fuel economy. That was on a very short run and produced just over 30 mpg, which is superb for a car that does produce, as I've mentioned, just shy of 330 brake horsepower. Going back to the main menu now, we will of course show you the rest of the features. In terms of the vehicle service history and service information, you'll see that it's very, very recently been serviced, 18,000 miles till next service, and does come with full BMW. And as you can see there was a very, very recent service. That would have been its first one of course, and that is full BMW. In terms of its connectivity, we do have both Bluetooth telephone and audio, along with the rest of the standard features including DAB, USB and AUX. There is both the dual climate controls along with the switches for the heated seats, and of course not forgetting the rear facing reversing camera as well. So last thing really to do is just quickly pop the car in sport, open up both sides of that wonderful exhaust and give you a little sound demonstration of this super saloon. So thank you very much for all taking the time to watch this walk around. I do hope you've enjoyed it and been able to find it useful. And again, if you would like some more information on this vehicle, simply follow those links below. Thanks guys, take care, and we'll hopefully see you soon. Bye bye.